Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap specialty chemicals company in a niche business where Fidelity Investment Trust has bought 29,48,769 shares at rupees 151.50. Virtu's Car International Small Cap Fund was the seller with 29,96,533 shares sold at the same price. Now this transaction happened yesterday on the National Stock Exchange. Please watch this video to know more about this particular transaction. Now the company in question is SHKL Current Company Limited, which is available at rupees 152.05 and the face value for it is 10. The buying price for Fidelity in this particular company was rupees 151.50. The symbol for it is SHK. Now SHKL Current Company Limited is an India-based fragrance and flavors manufacturing company. The company is engaged in offering fragrances in various categories such as personal care, hair care, skin care and cosmetics, fabric care, household products and fine fragrances. The company offers flavors in various categories also, such as dairy products, beverages, confectionery, bakery products, and pharmaceuticals. It also offers a range of services which includes biotechnology research service, cosmetic research service, cosmetic testing laboratory, and custom synthesis services. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has been on a downtrend and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 2,198.96 crores. The EPS of 3.43 translates into an expensive price to earnings ratio of 44.33 when compared with the industry PE of 22.85. However, when considering this, we should consider that it's a very niche company. The price to book ratio of 3.50 is not wildly expensive. The company has a dividend yield of 1.15%, whereas the promoter holding is just above average at 56.74%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Now friends, please don't consider these to be recommendations on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.